Hello, dear children. Please take out your English 2 books. Let us begin with the next lesson, The Road Through Forest. Well, my dear children, the story is basically a small passage taken from the famous novel, The Wonderful Wizard of Oz. It is a fairy tale about a girl named Dorothy who is taken to the magical land of Munchkins. Munchkins are the small childlike creature who live in a fairy tale world. Here she meets many strange creatures who help her find her way back home. So in this lesson we come to know about Dorothy, who was taken to the magical land of Munchkin. Munchkins are what? They are small, childlike creatures who live in a fairy tale. Basically, this is taken up from a fairy tale. And in fairy tale, there are some creatures which actually do not exist in reality. You are getting me? There are no such creatures in reality, but in fairy tales, many things which are basically not possible happens. So here also, there were small, childlike creatures called Munchkins. And we will come to know that how Dorothy, she meets some strange creatures, and these strange creatures help her find her way back home. But in this lesson, we will read a small conversation between Dorothy and a scarecrow. Let us read. Narrator. Who is a narrator? The one who narrates a story is the narrator. So here I will be the narrator. You're getting me now? At noon, Dorothy and Scarecrow sat by the roadside near a little brook. So at noon, the girl named Dorothy, she and a scarecrow. What is a scarecrow? Scarecrow is basically a figure made with sticks stuffed with straws placed in the field to scare away the birds. So scarecrow are man-made creatures. They are man-made thing which is made with sticks, and straw. They are basically kept in a field to scare away the birds, because the birds may come and they may destroy the crops grown in the field. So the farmers, they make the scarecrows and they place them in the field so that the crops can be prevented from getting destroyed by the birds. I hope you have understood. So in this lesson we see that Dorothy and a scarecrow was sitting by the roadside near a little brook. Brook is basically a small stream. Dorothy, she opened her basket and she got out some bread, and she offered that piece of bread to the scarecrow, but he refused. But he refused means he told that he don't want to eat. My dear children, here the scarecrow is able to talk. It is a fairy tale, so many unusual thing happens in a fairy tale. Here also similar thing is happening. So what happened? The scarecrow, he says something. What did he say? I am never hungry. It is a lucky thing I am not, for my mouth is only painted, and if I should cut a hole in it so I could eat, the straw I am stuffed with would come out, and that would spoil the shape of my head. The scarecrow told that he is never hungry. And it is a lucky thing for him that someone is offering something to eat. Dorothy was offering something to eat. I am not, for my mouth is only painted. And the mouth of the scarecrow is painted, and if a hole will be made in its mouth, then what will happen? All the straws which are stuffed within it will come out and spoil its shape. I hope you're getting this. So Droti saw at once that this was true. So she nodded and went on eating her bread. Droti, she herself started eating the bread. Tell me something about yourself and the country you came from. The scarecrow says that tell me something about your country from where you have come from. Droti, I came from Kansas, where everything is grey. Kansas is a place where everything is grey. My dear children, this Gray, it is basically Grey. It is the American spelling of grey. Grey. This is the American spelling of grey. I lived with Aunt Em and Uncle Henry. I had a small black dog, Toto. Toto and I were carried to the strange land of Oz by a cyclone. I'm going to meet the Wizard of Oz who can help me to get back home. So, this girl named Droti and Toto, they both were carried to this land because of a strange cyclone, by a very strong cyclone. Okay, what is the meaning of cyclone? Cyclone is basically a storm with very strong winds. So now this girl she wants to meet the Wizard of Oz. What is the meaning of wizard? Wizard is a person with magical powers. And it is a fairy tale. Definitely there will be some magical creatures in this. So she wanted to meet the Wizard of Oz who could help her find her way back to home. Scarecrow, I cannot understand why you should wish to leave this beautiful country and go back to the dry, grey place where you call Kansas. The Scarecrow told that he is not able to understand that why she wants to leave this country, as everything is grey in the place where she lives. Droti, you say this because you have no brains. No matter how dreary and grey our homes are, we, people of flesh and blood, would rather live there than in any other country, even if it is beautiful. There is no place like home. Droti said, she told that Scarecrow will not understand anything because you have no brains. And no matter she then says that no matter how dreary means dull or gloomy our home is, it is the best place to live in. And every people of flesh and blood, we people of flesh and blood means human being. We human being would rather love to live at our home. Yes or no, my dear children? However your home is, whether it is dull, whether it lacks few of the facilities, home is the best place in the world. Yes or no? So Droti, she tries to explain that however her country might have been, she loves to live there as it is very beautiful for her. It is her homeland and there is no place like home. Scarecrow, of course, I cannot understand it. If your heads were stuffed with straw, like mine, you should probably all live in the beautiful places, and then Kansas would have no people at all. It is fortunate for Kansas that you have brains. So the Scarecrow says that, of course, he cannot understand anything. But if your heads were stuffed with straws, and if your heads were stuffed with straws, then of course there might have been no people living on that place. That is Kansas. If this will happen, my dear children, everybody's head will be stuffed with straw, then there will be no human being on land, and they will not live in that place at all. And it is fortunate that you have brains. Fortunate means they are lucky to have brains. Dhruti, won't you tell me a story? Where were you resting? Now, Dhruti, she asked the scarecrow, now you tell me about yourself. So, my dear children, I will do till here only. Next part, the rest of the story I will upload in the next part. Thank you.